Hello students, now we are going to learn how to solve the question number 9 in exercise 3.4 for class 11 students in the trigonometry chapter. So before going to the question number 9, if you don't subscribe our channel, first subscribe our channel and then click the bell icon so that you can get your updates immediately. Okay, let's move on to the question number 9. Prove that sin 45 degree plus theta minus sin 45 degree minus theta is equal to square root of 2 sin theta. So here your sin 45 degree plus theta, that is your sin A plus B minus sin 45 degree minus theta, that is sin A minus B. Therefore the problem is in sin A plus B and sin A minus B format. Okay. So to solve this problem, first we have to know the formulas for sin A plus B and sin A minus B. So let's see the formulas. Sin A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So these formulas and all I have already discussed in basic trigonometry formulas part 2. So please refer to that so that you can easily solve this problem. Okay. So to find we have the sin A plus B and sin A minus B formulas now. So let's substitute this A and B. In place of A and B, let's substitute 45 degree and theta respectively. That is, your A is 45 degree and B is theta. Here also our A is 45 degree and B is theta. So let's solve the sin 45 degree plus theta first. That is sin A plus B first, and then we will solve sin 45 degree minus theta. Okay. So first, if we solve for sin 45 degree plus theta, what is your sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So that sin A means sin 45 degree and cos B means cos theta plus cos A means 45 degree, sin B means theta. Okay. Sin 45 degree cos theta plus cos 45 degree sin theta. So that we know the value for this sin 45 degree and cos 45 degree from the trigonometry table. So what are the value for sin 45 degree and cos 45 degree? So both are going to be 1 divided by root 2. The value for sin 45 degree and cos 45 degree are same, which is 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2 and cos theta is as same here, and 1 by root 2 and sin theta is as same here. Okay. So now your sin 45 degree plus theta is 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta. So make this as equation number 1. Okay. Then we have to find the sin 45 degree plus minus theta. Okay. So what is your sin A minus B? That is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Therefore sin A is 45 degree, cos B is theta minus cos A is 45 degree and sin B is theta. Okay. So here also your sin 45 degree and cos 45 degree is 1 by square root of 2. Therefore 1 by square root of 2 cos theta minus 1 by square root of 2 sin theta. So your sin 45 degree minus theta is 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay. Make this as equation number 2. So to get this left hand side, what we have to do? That is, we have to subtract equation 1 and 2. Okay. So equation 1 is your sin 45 degree plus theta and equation 2 is sin 45 degree minus theta. So if we subtract these both of these equations, we will get the left hand side. Okay. So then from 1 and 2, the left hand side is sin 45 degree plus theta minus sin 45 degree minus theta. Therefore we have to subtract 1 and 2. That is 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta minus of 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay. So then if we multiply this term with the minus means, so 1 by root 2 cos theta plus 1 by root 2 sin theta minus into plus is minus 1 by root 2 cos theta minus into minus is your plus. So 1 by root 2 sin theta. Okay. So here plus 1 by root 2 cos theta and here minus 1 by root 2 cos theta. So both of these terms will cancel each other. Okay. Then if we add this 1 by root 2 sin theta and 1 by root 2 sin theta means what we will get? We will get 2 by root 2 sin theta. Okay. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So because the denominator is same, so that we can easily add the numerator. Okay. So 2 by root 2 sin theta. So we can write this 2 as in terms of square root of 2. What we can write? What can we write? That is 2 is written as square root of 2 into square root of 2 divided by square root of 2 into sin theta. Okay. We are writing this 2 as square root of 2 into square root of 2 so that we can cancel this square root of 2 and this square root of 2. Okay. So if we cancel both of these two square root of 2, we will get what? Your root of 2 sin theta. That is your left hand side is square root of 2 sin theta. This is what we have to prove in your right hand side. Okay. So this is your thus we have proved that your left hand side is equal to right hand side. So to prove this we have to know what are all the formulas, sin a plus b and sin a minus b formulas, and then we have subtracted the equation 1 and 2 and substituted the values so that we have easily get the value for right hand side. Okay. So hence we have proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. Then we will move on to the second subdivision, that is sin 30 degree plus theta plus cos 60 degree plus theta is equal to cos theta. Here our sin a plus b and cos a plus b is there. Okay. So first we know the formula for sin a plus b, and what is the formula for cos a plus b? That is your sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and your cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Okay. So here in first term, that is sin 30 degree plus theta, we have a as 30 degree and b as theta, and in the second term, that is cos a plus b, we have a as 60 degree and b as theta. Okay. So let's solve the sin 30 degree plus theta first, and then we will solve cos 60 degree plus theta. Then we add both the results so that we will get the left hand side. Okay. So first sin 30 degree plus theta is equal to sin 30 degree cos theta, that is sin a cos b, that is sin a is your 30 degree, cos b is theta, plus cos a is 30 degree, sin b is theta. Okay. So we know the values for the sin 30 degree and cos 30 degree. What is the value for sin 30 degree? That is 1 by 2. So your sin 30 degree is 1 by 2 and cos theta is here, and cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2 and your sin theta is here. Okay. So your sin 30 degree plus theta is 1 by 2 cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta. Okay. So let's make this equation as equation number 3. Okay. So then we will find out the second term, that is cos 60 degree plus theta. So your cos 60 degree plus theta is cos a cos b first. So cos a is 60 degree and cos b is theta minus sin a is 60 degree and sin b is theta. Okay. So now we have the values for cos 60 degree and sin 60 degree from the trigonometry table. What are all the values? Your cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and your sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. So that 1 by 2 into cos theta here minus sin here, and your sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2 and sin theta. Okay. So your cos 60 degree plus theta is 1 by 2 cos theta minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. So this is your equation number 4. So we can have your left hand side as the addition of equation number 3 and equation number 4. So if we add sin 30 degree plus theta and cos 60 degree plus theta, we will get the left hand side. Okay. So your sin 30 degree plus theta is 1 by 2 cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta, and your cos 60 degree plus theta is 1 by 2 cos theta minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. Okay. So from these two equations, left hand side is sin 30 degree plus theta plus cos 60 degree plus theta. Okay. So the sin 30 degree plus theta is 1 by 2 cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta, plus sin 60 degree plus theta is 1 by 2 cos theta minus root 3 by 2 sin theta. Okay. So we are adding this term. So we have written directly that term. Okay. So here your root 3 by 2 sin theta is there, and root 3 by 2 sin theta, and here plus sign minus sign. So we can cancel both of these terms. Okay. So root 3 by 2 sin theta and minus root 3 by 2 sin theta will cancel each other. So we have to add these both of these terms. Okay. So 1 by 2 cos theta plus 1 by 2 cos theta. So denominator is same, so we can add the numerator easily. Okay. So if we add the numerator, what we will get? 2 by 2 cos theta. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 by 2 cos theta. So if we cancel this 2, we will get the left hand side. Okay. So your left hand side is now equal to the right hand side cos theta. Okay. Hence we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So to prove this, we have taken the formulas for sin a plus b and cos a plus b. Okay. So if we know those formulas for sin a plus b, sin a minus b, cos a plus b, cos a minus b, we will solve these equations very easily, provided you have to know the formulas. So these formulas and all I have already explained in basic trigonometry formulas part 2. So please go through that. Okay. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts and questions, please mail me to yadamkeli20@gmail.com. And if you want any more problems to be solved by me, just comment in the comment section. Thank you.